Today we are here to unbox the brand new Oppo Find N2 Flip smartphone that just arrived in South Africa. This is a premium smartphone with some very exciting features. So let's dive right in it, see what's inside the box. Would you look at this packaging? Now this is what you call sleek. It's probably the most gorgeous packaging I've ever seen a smartphone come in. And with the gold lettering on the top, it just makes it seem elegant and so much more sleek than any other box that I've ever seen. And it just doesn't stop there. When you open it up, it's almost as if the phone presents itself to you, almost like it wants to be picked up. Wow, that is just absolutely gorgeous. But now, the box and the packaging has set the standards, has set the bar quite high. Does the phone live up to expectation? That was a stupid question because this is just an absolutely gorgeous phone. This phone boasts a 6.8-inch AMOLED display that is incredibly vivid and clear. But wait, there's more. This phone comes with a flip design, and on the back you'll see that there's a second screen. With this second screen you can see yourself when you're looking into the rear camera for video calls or selfies. Now speaking of cameras, this camera setup features a flagship impressive Sony sensors and comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, as well as a 32 megapixel front camera. Now that is enough camera to make all of your Instagram followers incredibly jealous. Now, the camera is great, the phone looks great, but what about storage capacity and processing power? Well, let me tell you, the phone doesn't disappoint on those fronts either. This phone comes with a whopping 256 gigabyte internal storage, which is more than enough to store all your photos, videos, and apps. Not only that, this phone is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 plus 5G processor, and with 8 gigabytes of RAM, it is blazing fast and capable of handling even the most demanding of apps. Speaking of demanding apps, the Oppo Find N2 Flip smartphone comes with an ARM Mali GZ10 MC10 GPU. This ensures that everything you do on this smartphone just happens smoothly, whether it's scrolling through your social media feeds or looking at videos. Along with the AMOLED display, it gives you deep blacks and vibrant colors that makes it a joy for any multimedia content. Let's see what else we find in the box. The cable is USB-C, and along with the cable, you'll find a 67-watt SuperVOOC fast charger, which is guaranteed to charge your smartphone to 50% within 32 minutes. You also receive a smartphone cover. Now, it's incredibly rare these days to get a cover with a smartphone, so this is a very nice find. Overall, the Oppo Find N2 Flip smartphone is an impressive phone. Not only is it a beautiful design, but it's got amazing storage capacity, brilliant processing power, and a top-notch camera, and graphics that will make any multimedia content a joy to consume. If you're in the market for a brand new smartphone that is both stylish and functional, look no further than the brand new Oppo Find N2 Flip smartphone.